Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I like coffee and it is the wish of many to make baristaish coffee in the comfort of our own homes. So let's check out this new espresso coffee maker by Agaro. This is the agarogalaxy espresso coffee maker. Minimal buttons and a great design. I love the look of this machine. It comes completely assembled, so it's almost ready to use out of the box. Here in front we have the removable drip tray. This container here would hold used up capsules. The underside has these vacuum feet to keep the machine from moving around, and it weighs around 2.8 kg. The removable water tank has a capacity of 650 ml. There are max and min markings on the tank, so make sure the water level stays between these lines. This handle here, when pulled open, reveals an opening where you would insert the coffee capsules. When we move the handle, we can see this mechanism here which would pierce the capsules. It's best that you run the machine with water only before to clean it. Now I am filling up the tank to get it ready for brewing. The machine uses a 16 amp plug, so you will need a big outlet. Once plugged in, turn the machine on using the switch on the side. The LEDs on the button start blinking, indicating that the machine is getting ready, essentially warming up. Once the LEDs stop blinking, it's ready to use. This is quite fast. I have moved it to a convenient location to start brewing and everything is ready. Place a cup under the spout in front. Nespresso compatible coffee capsules work with this machine and this is what I am using. The coffee is hermetically sealed in aluminum capsules, protecting it from the elements. Pull open the top handle, place a capsule within, close the handle, tap the cup size. The top button is small and the lower button is large. Espresso and Lungo as marked in the manual. Espresso is 2270 ml and Lungo is 7220 ml. I have selected Lungo and it's one touch to start the brewing process and dispense. The coffee is brewed from the capsule at 20 bars pressure, enabling quick coffee making with rich crema. This is how the coffee looks. The crema is naturally formed during extraction. It acts as a lid which traps the aromatic compounds in the coffee beneath. I like my coffee with milk and sugar. Connoisseurs would generally slurp the coffee directly to enjoy the original flavors. Once the brewing is complete, pull up the handle and the pod drops into the container below. Careful when emptying as it can still be hot. Here's the used capsule and this is how it looks with the piercing markings on both sides. I am trying out an experiment, so in goes another pod. This is cold milk with sugar and ice. Let's take a small cup this time. Wow, the entire house is filled with the aroma of coffee. Looks so cool. Cold coffee ready and tastes great too. Make sure to empty the drip tray from time to time as it will collect with water. So that was the agarogalaxy espresso coffee maker. It's easy to use, efficient, affordable. Kind of, if you consider the prices at your local barista, and capsules are available in a variety of flavors from fruity, floral and freshly roasted. I had reviewed a traditional espresso machine, the video to which I will link here, and this would cater to the niche coffee enthusiasts. But if you just like espresso and like the convenience of an easy to use system which looks stylish too, and one that helps you efficiently brew coffee with no mess and no fuss, the agarogalaxy espresso coffee maker hits this sweet spot for a lot of customers. So what are your thoughts? Would you pick one up? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.